back to the channel. Now today's video is a show and tell, courtesy of some of you who have been sending me messages asking me to review this product. In your budget, if you have a strict budget, this is the machine you should go for. So you lazima attach kwa socket. There we go. We have a timer that goes all the way to 15 minutes. Then we have this where you put the pipe, ndio maji ingie. Then we have this wash mode. So we have heavy, normal, and then you have your drain. I usually wash everything with heavy. That's how I know, like, yani vitu zimekuwa safi. It is a RAM tolerance RW129. We get into the machine itself. This thing is what rotates. Ina agitate the clothes. This is what is called the lint catcher. Inakaa ni kama kuna vitu huko ndani. Removing this thing is such a pain. I think that's the only bad thing I have to say about this machine. Removing this thing is a pain. So when the lint ikija, that's when you remove it and then you go empty it. So see, it's quite empty because I recently emptied it, but it looks funny. I know it looks funny. It looks funny, but that's how lint catchers are. Then we have our drain pipe inakwanga attached there. So we have it there. And we have our pipe that connects to the machine. Just how you normally wash this, don't mix the ones that bleed color with the ones that don't. I've done that. Bygones. So we have like some clothes over here, and then this machine does only 6 kgs. Don't overload the machine so that when it's rotating, like the clothes can be maximally agitated. Ujaze nguo, ujaze maji, the machine will be heavy, but okay. I have a lot of clothes here. Another question. There are these machines which are usually wide. They look like this, but usually wider, and they have like another section that's like the spin section. To me, it's unnecessary because all it does is it wrings out like the majority of your water so that your clothes dry faster. Ni sawa, but kuna jua siku hizi nguo zako zitakauka at the end of the day, so it's unnecessary. Yani kama if again, I repeat, if you want a tight budget, don't shy away from going for this plain thing, this plain one. So we put it there. This is what we have, just a slow steady flow of water. Again, as I mentioned, usijaze maji na usijaze nguo. Let me just move past it. Yeah. Okay. So para. You see that force? That's the force we want. Now we switch to drain. There we go. This is how the clothes look after draining all the water. Now nafungulia maji and then we get to rinse as many times as my clothes want to be rinsed. My clothes are all rinsed. Safi, freshy barida. So where are my pegs? Kuna kitu upotea kama pegs. Pussy to ride. Hi. Hi kitty kitty. Mimi ni mtu wa dresses. Hey, si nilienda thrifting nikapata hii ball gown. Sijui niwavalie. Can you see it? Problem is it's very exposed. This is the front. There's no back. There's no back. There's no back literally. So if you guys have like suggestions of how I can modestly wear it, I'll be grateful, because there ain't no way. There ain't no way Ivy is wearing this like this. There ain't no way. This was my interview dress, my TV interview dress. This thing, it's just, I love it. Look at it. Look at it. Right now it can't fit me. It can't fit me because I've added so much weight. Haitafungika zip. So I'm cutting down weight so that I can wear this dress again. Mayo. We went to China Square. You know, I had to succumb to the pressure. We have this travel adapter. My laptop, the socket thingy, kwa normal socket haiwezi ingia, so I need an adapter to help me with that. I don't know kama itafanya kazi ni ya China. But you know what, guys, everything that we consume, everything that we use is from China. I don't know why people stereotype China. It was, I think, 200. Can't quite remember. Then there's this. You know, I'm into baking these days. I haven't shown it here. I'm into baking, and not even the box mix, like from scratch. You know, from scratch. So I bought these measuring cups, just so that we can have some accuracy in the cakes that we make. So this is like a cup, half a cup, a third of a cup. Actually this is an item that I purposed to buy. I had seen one of these hauls on TikTok. I demand. Actually, the person who was there at the counter was telling me, "Hizi vitu zinaenda. And then by this kununua vitu mingi. Because again, as I said, I just didn't see a variety of products for me. Maybe in the next drop, if I go there early, I'll see things. But naona kama watu walibeba the good stuff, like the good stuff for me. You can still go. I'm not telling you not to go. I've always wanted this. The straws for my cocktails, and it has this brush to just clean. Because I think one of the challenges of using straws is cleaning inside. so this are reusable. This was 180. And then the last item, telling you guys I'm into baking these days. So we have this, it's a loaf tin, but I'll be using it to bake cakes also. I don't mind my cakes being rectangle. I can even bake bread, by the way. Oh, bread. So yeah, we have this, and they have like a variety. So this was 400 shillings. So yeah, those are the only things I bought. My takeaway: should people go to China? Oh, definitely. And I'm just gonna be usiende jipange though. Go there mapema. And by the way, when I was paying, like hukuwa na watu wengi kwa line, even though we entered with a lot of people, I shopped quickly. Itoke kwa haraka. See, kuzunguka tu pole pole. Tip. Go there knowing what you want. Look at the hauls on TikTok and this video. Yeah, but go. The prices are good for some of the things. The prices are really nice. Yeah. Go. Okay guys, let us make, I think, in mashakura. So I wanted to do that mishkaki barbecue, you know. I just didn't have a variety of colors. It was just green. So that's where I think the first mistake came. So I stacked everything up. Now this is me doing the sauce. I saw this on YouTube. Isi mambo yangu najitengenezea. So mixed soy sauce, honey, and then you'll see me adding ginger and garlic that I had crushed, and then I mixed it all together, and then I added like a mixture of water and corn flour. For real, this is a YouTube video, go research it. It's not my thing, it's not my thinking. So you stir it and then you reduce it on heat. Sasa hapa ndio sikuonyesha, I just like put like heat kidogo and then reduced it, and then now this is me applying that sauce all over the mishkaki. My sister was around, that's why there are 2 plates. It's not a man yet. And it was delicious. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Subscribe. Bye bye.